Hello and welcome to another episode of Analog Encounters. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the light seals on a 35mm SLR camera. The principles that I will show today will apply to pretty much wide myriad of film cameras that are out there. It'll require purchasing some of this light seal material. That can be purchased on Amazon and from many other camera stores. You generally get 2 sheets of this, and you can buy it usually I think for under about $10. It's not very expensive. It is a matte black felt which has a sticky back to it. The other tools that we will need in this process actually will be a metal straight edge ruler, our trusty X-Acto knife for the cutting and helping in the removal process of the light seals that are currently there, dental picks, a point pick, and I also like the more flattened end pick, which is useful for positioning in the new light seal, and a array of tweezers for helping remove and to place the new material. The viewer that requested this video actually has a Nikon F camera, similar to the one I showed in my first episode. This camera is a little different to a lot of 35mm cameras on the market in the fact that it has the slide off back, but the principle is the same. In all of these cameras, you'll find where the back and the front meet, there will be a channel, and along this channel there will be the light material. The camera I'm going to show it on today is a camera which a lot of viewers out there will own, and it's a great camera both for experienced professionals as well as people new to photography, and that is the Canon A1. This is a rather nice example that I picked up off of eBay many years ago. It has the f1.8 lens, and it has a lot of functionality without being too overwhelming. This camera does require a battery. But battery is used for both the electronic shutter control. It's a 6-volt battery, as well as the light meter that's inside, and this one has a very accurate light meter. But as with many of these cameras, if I open up the back, the light seals have started to perish, and over the course of time they turn to dust. And as I say, in this upcoming video I will show you how to remove the old light seal and make it as good as new. So without further ado, let's get on to the process of how you change your light seals in a 35mm camera. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the back. There's a couple of little levers you depress and the back comes straight off. Now I'm going to identify where all the light seals are on the sides along the channels. There's no one at the front there where the lock is, and on the back cover we have a light seal on both sides. So before I do any damage, I'm going to protect the shutter curtain by using some masking tape to cover that up. Now to get rid of the stubborn bits, we're going to use isopropyl alcohol on a swab. I'm going to take it over all the sticky areas and let it soak in. Now we'll use some more isopropyl alcohol to clean off the areas in readiness for the new light seals. And now the back plate's complete. I'll show you now how you can make a template using masking tape. I don't personally find this is necessary, but if you find this is easier, just press in the masking tape around the outline and color in with a pencil or marker. You can then transfer this onto the light seal and use it as a guide to cut out. So it's as simple as that. It's a little fiddly in places. As you saw with the Canon, we have that channel where you need to kind of guide it through the pathway here. But as we see, these strips are so thin, it's very easy to maneuver them around any shape you want. As I said and showed in the video, it is possible to make a template with masking tape, but I find it's unnecessary and often overcomplicates and makes it harder to, to work with. The main thing is to assure that, they're in correctly by once you close the camera, if you open it again after about 10 minutes or so, if you don't pull off your hard work, you've done it right and everything is bonded in the case properly, and you're good, should be good to go from here on out. So that is that, as they say. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Remember, I got the inspiration for this video from viewers' comments, so please leave your comments. If there are more things you'd like me to try or information that we can share, then please leave that in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you soon on the next episode of Analog Encounters. Thank you. Good night.